Hello everyone, today's menu will be sweet and spicy chicken with ginger and snow peas. It's bursts with flavor within the first bite. So if you're ready, let's get cooking. In this bowl, I have honey. I'm gonna add in some dark soy sauce. And then I'm also going to add in some lime juice. You'll just want to give that a nice whisk to combine. Let's just set it aside. And here I have 3 garlic cloves that I'm just gonna smash it a little bit to make it easier, and then just mince it into smaller pieces. You don't have to smash it if you don't want. And then I'm just going to grab the ginger and then smash it too. And then I'm going to slice it into strips. I like to have a nice bite when I bite into it, but if you prefer, you can go ahead and just mince it up, or you could grate it. Here I have 2 large chicken breasts that I'm just going to thinly slice it. And as you can see, that's how thin it is. You can almost see right through it. But if you don't want to slice it thin, you can go right ahead and just cut it into strips or bite-sized pieces, whichever way you prefer. On medium-high heat, I'm gonna add in some oil to my wok. And if you don't have a wok, then you go ahead and use a non-stick skillet. I'm going to toss in the ginger and garlic, and I'm gonna just cook it for about a minute or 2. I'm going to toss in the chicken, and then I'm just going to give it a quick stir and then try to spread it out as evenly as I can and cook it for 2 minutes before flipping it to cook the other side. It's been cooking for about 8 minutes now, and I'm just going to toss in the snow peas and give it a quick mix to combine. And then you'll want to cover with the lid and cook it for about 3 minutes or until you prefer tenderness. After a couple minutes, we're just going to remove the lid and give it a quick stir. And then I'm going to pour in the honey and soy mixture. And then I'm also going to add in the Asian chili powder and also cayenne powder. You'll want to give this a nice mix to combine and cook it for 3 minutes on cover. Here I have equal parts of water and cornstarch. I'm just going to pour it right on top and give it a nice mix to combine. You'll want to cook this for about another minute or 2, or until the juice is slightly thickened. Here is the end results of the sweet and spicy chicken. I hope you will give this a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will get my latest videos. Bye!